Dear students, this is Afsana Awal. Today I will take your English literature class, and our today's topic is Unit 4 Reading Done, Word Meaning and Synonym Antonym. Okay, this is our today's topic. So let's start our class. Look at the board. This is Unit 4 and the chapter's name is Wonders of the Sea. Okay, the chapter's name is Wonders of the Sea. And just look here, there are some pictures that are actually sea animals. Okay, these actually live in the seas. Okay, so today our topic is Wonders of the Sea. So let's start. Most of us enjoy going to places near the sea. It is fun to swim in the sea and play games on the beach, but we see only the surface of the sea. However, people who dive underwater find many different creatures. They can see fish and other sea creatures swimming about. The most colorful fish live in warm seas. They can see turtles and dolphins too. Some seashores are covered with rocks or mud and others with sand. Many animals live along the seashore. Cockles live under the sand. Starfish, prawns and small fish are brought in by the waves. Sea anemones, which look like plants, live on the rocks underwater. Okay, just look at this is the picture of the sea anemone. If we dig a deep hole in the sand, we will find worms, crabs and shellfish too. In the middle of the ocean, the water is very deep. Here we can see giant whales, soft jellyfish and octopuses too. Near the bottom of the ocean, there are some very strange looking fish. It is so dark here that many of them are blind. Just look at this is the picture of the whale. In the past, people knew very little about the sea. As they sailed from one place to another, sailors made up stories about the things they saw. One story was about sea serpents which could attack ships. They also talked about a beautiful creature, the mermaid, who had the head and body of a woman and the tail of a fish. Okay, just look at this is the picture of a mermaid. Okay, so this is the story and the story's title is Wonders of the Sea. Okay, so now we will learn the word meaning and the synonym antonym from this chapter. This is the word meaning. Today we will learn 4 word meaning, only 4 word meaning and total 4 synonym and antonyms. The first word meaning is surface. Surface means the top or outside part of something. Surface means the top or outside part of something. Number 2 is creatures. Living things such as animals, fish, birds or insects. Creatures, living things such as animals, fish, birds or insects. Creatures means living things such as animals, fish, birds or insects. Number 3 is blind. Blind means not be able to see. Blind means not be able to see. Number 3 is blind, not be able to see. Number 4 is sailed. Sailed means moved from place to place on a boat or a ship. Sailed means moved from place to place on a boat or a ship. Sailed means moved from place to place on a boat or a ship. Now go to synonym antonym. These are the given words, total 4 given words. These are synonyms and antonyms. The first word is beautiful. The synonym of beautiful is nice. and antonym is ugly. So beautiful, nice, ugly. Beautiful, nice, ugly. Now the given word is bottom. Okay, bottom, here the synonym of bottom is base and the antonym is top. The synonym of bottom is base and antonym is top. The synonym of bottom is base and the antonym is top. Now the next one is warm. W-A-R-M, warm. Okay, the synonym of warm is hot. H-O-T, hot. And the antonym is cold. C-O-L-D, cold. C-O-L-D, cold. C-O-L-D, cold. So the given word is warm, synonym hot, and the antonym is cold. Now the last one is giant. G-I-A-N-T, giant. Giant, the synonym of giant is huge and the antonym is tiny. The synonym of giant is huge and the antonym is tiny. The synonym of giant is huge and the antonym is tiny. Okay students, so today we have learned the word meaning and synonym antonym from this unit, that means unit 4, and our HW will be HW number 10. You must mention this number. HW number 10 is synonym antonym of this chapter, that means unit 4. These are the synonym antonym. Okay, this is your homework. Okay students, stay safe, stay well, take care, Allah Hafiz.